how's it going, everybody? This has Gotta Transform 'em All. I have today the Meowscarada EX Premium Collection Box. And just full disclosure, the past couple days-ish, I've been very sick. So I'm just gonna open this. Yeah, I just want to start feeling normal. And this is, in my mind, gonna help. So we're just gonna go through it. Alright, so we got those. That. I believe it's 8 packs. And the quote-unquote base. I say quote-unquote just because I think it's a pretty terrible base. Just weird plastic thing. How do I... Oh, hang on. There we go. Alright. So here is the magnetic card holder with the grass type coloring. Essentially, it just pulls apart magnetically. I'm not even sure I have the strength for that, so we'll just put it in the back there. And just, yeah, it's an awful base. Just, I don't know if I'm just not getting it, but that's awful. We got Sharkon Bulbasaur, as always, and then Tasmania Kid from Transformers Legacy. And just because I couldn't find another, I just couldn't be bothered to find something else. But let's look at the promos. First off, Sprigatito, Scarlet Violet number 76. Then we have Floragato, 77. And the full art, Meowscarada EX number 78. And of course, code card. Just take it if you want. Got the jumbo card. In case you want to see Meowscarada EX as a jumbo card. Put that in the back there, and we'll just get right into the packs. This is going to be a very no energy video. I'm just going to say that right now. Alright, we got a Haunter, Mime Jr., Noibat, Chimico, Charmeleon, Primeape, Scrafty, Shiny Cleffa. I will take that. I don't think I've gotten that yet. So very nice. We have Nemona's Backpack and a Mabustiff. I don't think this set has special energies. Alright, next we have Greavard, Chinchou, Woobat, Scraggy, Nestball, Lantern, Unkalone, Scraggy, and Natu for the reverses, and an Executor. Again, just pause the video and take the codes if you want them. We got Charmander, Dedenne, Nemona, Natu, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Curlia. Ooh. So that's a full art shiny Pidgeot EX. I will happily take that. I think I only got the Squawk ability so far. I think. So hopefully that's new, but still very awesome pull. And Paldean Wooper, reverse, and a Magmortar. I'm pretty sure it's just a Squawkabilly that I had previously. But that's why I usually have to have the set list, because I don't actually ever 100% remember. We have Nimona, Natu, Rare Candy, Cottony, Nestball, Lantern, Oinkologne, Noibat, and Woobat, so a pair of bats in reverse, and an Iron Treads EX. Very nice. You got the sparkles there. Those like to see that. So very nice. I'm not honestly sure if I've pulled that already. Might have, might not have. All right, we have Lapras, Scraggy, Mime Jr., Mischief, Technical Machine, Crisis Punch, Doxbun, Nimona's Backpack, Varoom, and Charcadet for the reverses, and a full art Paldean Student, the Violet edition, which might not actually be one I've pulled yet. I think I've pulled the Scarlet one twice, but it might be the first of the Violet version. So nice. Hopefully a new full art trainer. 3 more packs. Over halfway done. Feels like I'm just going through it. Because I am. Again, just low energy opening. We have a Ghastly. Speaking of, Paldean Student. Barboach. Woobat. Curlia. Gengar. Technical Machine, Crisis Punch. We have a Toad School. The White Mushroom itself. Very nice. I also don't think I've gotten that one yet. Then we have a Haunter for the reverse. And a Golden Go for the holo. Alright, next we have Execute, Ghastly, Ralts, Toad School. That is actually the same card as the shiny. In case anyone was curious, like attack, HP, all the same stuff. Clive, Whimsicott, Scrafty. We have a Gimmighoul and Phanpy for the reverses, and a Cerulege for the holo. Final pack. Had some awesome pulls so far. Let's see if we can end on anything else. Alright, we have Scraggy, Flittle, Paldean Wooper, Grievard, Iono, Kilowattrel, Clive, Doxbun, and Atticus for the reverses, and Mabostiff, ending with the same holo that we started with. Right, it was the same one we started with, right? Yeah. Alright, well that was still a pretty fantastic opening, I would say. Just to organize this all. So for the recap, we got the 3 promos that came with the box. The Shiny Sprigatito, Floragato, and Meowscarada. Then we got a couple shinies, like regular versions or baby forms of Cleffa and Toad School. He also had an Iron Treads EX, a Paldean Student Full Art, the Violet version, and the Full Art Shiny Pidgeot EX, which again I'm hoping is something I was still missing, because the only one I can remember pulling is just the Squawkabilly. But yeah, very nice pulls out of those 8 packs. I'm hoping most of this is new, because I think the Iron Treads might not be, but everything else I think is. So I'm happy with that. That'll do it for this opening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hope hopefully more energy openings. Have a great day.